I think most GoHighLevel users are using Ask AI completely wrong, especially with some of the newer capabilities that have been recently added. After testing them, I found 3 different things that have completely changed the way I use GoHighLevel. And the chances are you are probably not using any of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you these 3 insane things that you can do with Ask AI. And the crazy part is most people don't even know it exists. Check this out. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to show you these 3 insane things you can do on high level with Ask AI. And I'm telling you right now, you may have heard of some of these, but I know you haven't heard of the first one because I just figured it out. And I like to call it prompt maxing. Let me explain. This is going to blow you away. This is seriously the biggest time saver ever. So essentially, you can take things in high level, have Ask AI reference them, and then create a prompt off of it so you can use it again and again and again. It is like a snapshot on steroids. Let me explain. So if we come into AI agents, okay, and I'm like, I really like Rebecca. By the way, Rebecca is one of my best AI voice agents I've ever created. I've used it in multiple sub-accounts. If I'm like, I really like this, but I don't want to go through, download the snapshot, upload it, change everything, do blah, 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 all this stuff, which is what most people do. And it's just kind of annoying. I can do something even better and even easier. I can come to Ask AI and I can say, please build me a prompt that uses the exact same settings as the AI voice agent Rebecca and clone it and make it a prompt. This is huge because if we duplicate this, okay, and I show you these settings, you'll notice that there's all these little things, like very small fine-tooth things, which is so hard to replicate. I mean, even using a snapshot, it's annoying because then you have to tweak things and then you have to add stuff and then you have to make it match the business, all these things, when in reality, instead of going through that whole manual process, we can just have Ask AI clone all the specific settings. Like, look at this on the right-hand side. It's taking back channel frequency 0.2, it's getting so narrow. It's picking the exact same thing, but as opposed to just a snapshot, which sounds cool in reality, but there's way more manual work, we can just make this a prompt that we can clone, and then we can use it for any business, and we can create multiple. So if you are using a snapshot, you get one, you have to duplicate, you have to change, you have to do the same thing on a bunch. It's a pain in the ass. With this, I could say, make me 5 of this exact thing with this name, this name, this name, and all of a sudden AI is literally 5 to 10xing your workflow instantly with a prompt based on your best asset inside of high level. There it is. Look at that. This entire prompt is ready to go. Look at this entire thing. Every single setting dialed in, and now it is in this one AI prompt where I can legit just copy this, paste it in another Ask AI and say, hey, make it for gyms, whatever, and just say a couple things and it will change all of it. Okay, again, we could do this in volume. I could say, create 3 of these for these 3 different subaccounts. There's so many different ways you can do this, but it is actually faster and more dialed than using a snapshot. Believe it or not, it is insane. There's also no mixing up with snapshots and logins. It's just the fastest way to onboard and build from something that already works. And guys, real quick, before I move on to the second one, because I think prompt maxing is amazing, this isn't just with AI agents. You can literally do this with anything in high level that you like. Something you like, it can copy and create a prompt built on it to build it out in high level. So if you like an existing website, if you like calendars, this, that, the third, you can have it create a prompt. So you now can use this prompt for other people, for really anything. You can use it for other AI builders. I mean, you now have a prompt that you can just use again and again and again. I mean, guys, this is amazing. This is why I love prompts. Words can get you actual things built. And if you copy things that are already proven, you can copy it inside a high level and make it build a prompt off of what has already worked. Time saved, everyone's happy. All right, the second amazing Ask AI thing you can do is onboard businesses instantly. Now, here's the thing. I don't just mean what I've showed you before, which is create a sub account and then, create a bunch of AI agents, which it can absolutely do. You can even have SaaS configurator plans and products and rebilling set up. Like, it is insane. So check this out. Please onboard me a business using a SaaS plan that you create called Declan's Super SaaS. Make it $497, okay, and create them an sub account called, actually, no, we're just going to do some random number. Watch this. Okay, boom, it's coming through. It's asking me all this. Create the SaaS plan, create the sub account, and I'll enable. We're just gonna do go ahead, check this out. Watch this. This is insane. We're talking fully onboarding businesses in minutes, actually less, by just typing into a box. This used to take hours. Look at that. All right, it says Declan SaaS created and then sub account created. Let's check it out. We're gonna go to SaaS configurator. Okay, let's scroll on down. That is insane. It created the SaaS configurator plan. That's on the $497 account, by the way. If you don't understand, you don't have, this is only $497 GoHighLevel account. Let's go back. What was our exact name? It was 789. All right, let's check it out. 789. Look how crazy that is. It built the SaaS configurator plan, which is the billing, then the exact sub account. Now we could keep going. We could say, build me a website, build me this, build me that, build the AI chatbots. We can fully onboard our clients in minutes using this feature. That is how powerful this is. Like, you got to understand, this is next level. And I think a lot of people are greatly underestimating what Ask AI can do. Again, I'm showing you the best things, but right now it can create literally everything. Like, it can go through from A to Z and onboard your clients. Like, if you do not see why that is so powerful, please do some research, because for the longest time, you had to create the sub account. Okay, you had to go and you had to import your snapshot. You then had to have a VA go in and build everything. You then had to go and configure users. You don't have to do that anymore. You can come into Ask AI and you can just talk to it and it will work for you. That is insane. So onboarding clients is insane. By the way, I have a ton of problems for this. So yeah, absolutely crazy. So it's now time to move on to our third and final amazing, insane thing that this can do. And by the way, this Ask AI feature I'm about to show you is really, really cool, because this one involves having AI work for you on Autopilot. But before I do that, I want to let you know, if you're interested in getting access to GoHighLevel, I have a 30-day free trial link down below where I give you all the Ask AI prompts and everything you need. They actually may be running a promo at the time of this video during summertime. So please go down below and get that promo. It's like 50% off. Plus you get access to a lot of other stuff. I really recommend you do that. But either way, even if the promo is not running, it's still worth it, because HighLevel is absolutely amazing. But I'm not just going to give you a 30-day free trial. I'm going to give you access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, all of my modules, all of my AI prompts, sales scripts, pre-built out AI agents, everything. I'm even going to give you access to all of my live calls, including the ones with me and all my other coaches, to help you on your journey to really sell this Ask AI feature. Because if you can't sell this, you can't make any money. And in this community, we give it all to you for free. So if that interests you and you want free AI at the time of this video, go down below, hit the link, and I will see you in the private community. So now that we understand that, and by the way, if you have questions too, drop them down below. But I want to go over the last amazing thing Ask AI can do. And this is actually something that people know exists, but they don't know how to properly use it. And that is having Ask AI do recurring work for you. So as you see here, you can schedule tasks. So what people do is they come into schedule and then they click new tasks and they go through this whole process and they do it for basic stuff. But what you can do is you can actually just tell Ask AI to schedule it in here. Yes, a lot of people do not know this. It is amazing. And then from there, once it schedules it, it'll do extra work. So I'm going to ask it, please give me updates on GoHighLevel software every single day, so I know all the new features and releases. Check this out. Boom, look at that. It has now been scheduled. So if we come back here, come right here, and we click scheduled, you will see right here, okay, look at that. Every day it has been scheduled. So the AI is now scheduling the AI scheduler. You don't even have to come into new tabs. You can just ask it to do this. And check this out. It's going to search, summarize, and do all of that stuff. It's going to repeat every day at 9 a.m. You can edit right here, delete it, or run it right now. How cool is that? I can legit have Ask AI schedule things and then schedule it from the own builder. I don't have to go into the scheduler. I can just come into new chat and say, schedule this. I can have Ask AI schedule social media posts to go out so that my social media management is done forever. And I can schedule it. I don't have to keep coming back and going, hey, build this. As you see right in here, we can legit have tasks that are just scheduled forever. It's insane, but this kind of stuff is awesome because it's going to keep you up to date with other stuff. It's also going to have all of your work done. So then there, you're just having the AI do the work for you, and then you're done. That's it. So I created this video because I knew you needed to learn how to do this. These three things are huge. A lot of people are not using Ask AI the way they should be. And I'm telling you, if you start using it like this, this, you'll have much better results. So please take these 3 things into consideration, really use them. They could change everything for you. Thank you guys for watching. At the end of this video, I'm going to be linking a video that's just going to go over the AI Studio. That is going to be the thing that pops up right here. And it's basically the vibe coder. You gotta watch it. I'm serious. It's gonna go in depth on all this stuff, but that's gonna pop in a sec. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If you want access to my amazing free community, 30-day free trial down below, and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.